yet.
They could have done a better monster. He's just kind of gay.
It's still scary the way he pops up.
No, I just don't like the way it flashes. Oh my god.
I mean, it's scarier than the fucking Slenderman, the original Slenderman. The first Slender game, he was all like,
Hello, hello.
You ready for Bunker 51?
Oh.
Alfie will lead.
Oh, can I lead?
I'm gonna scout ahead, so like somebody else leaves, and I'm just gonna split off.
I'll lead.
Yeah, I don't want to find all these stupid radios again.
Well, since mine's the scouting guy, you want me to lead?
Yeah, but can I be in the middle? Cause
Oh god, I already don't like this.
All right, I got this.
Oh yeah, I have horrible sanity by myself.
Beat an evasion. Yeah.
All right, which way?
To the right.
Right. All right.
Wait, shouldn't we check this room that we were in first?
Oh wait, which one?
No, you could hear the radio when you get close to it.
Let's go here.
I don't know. We're following you.
Alright.
What the fuck?
Hey, bros.
I hear radio.
Should be around here. That's right here. Oh, it's cool when you get closer to it, the flashlight points to it.
Oh, okay, that's what it did. I was like, what the fuck are you doing? I thought it was trying to set me up for a scare. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Oh, Alfie. Oh, you faggot.
My screen just went.
God, like, I'm right behind all you. Like, I've never been behind someone. He walks so gay.
Fuck off, Chris.
I've never been in front of people.
Oh god, you want to go into that?
Alfie,
Oh, totem,
go.
don't look.
Either way we go, it doesn't
Oh.
fucking. Oh,
Yeah, Alfie.
it's all the same.
Your
Oh, shit.
penis.
I hate how slow he looks.
Oh, when he's turning left and right.
Yeah. Go wide around
like
the
he's
corner. Go wide around the corner.
There's a lot of hallways.
Oh, fuck
I mean,
this,
Hector's
man.
gonna fuck. Here, I'll go. Oh, totem to the right.
I hear whispering to the left.
What the fuck is this?
Archives. I think I hear a radio.
Yeah, I hear it too.
There it is.
There's that.
I don't like that guy's voice in this.
I hear whispering down here.
Yeah, I heard it too. Making
Right
sure you guys are actually following.
Yeah, we're right behind you, Stevie. We're not gonna split off.
Alright. What? Oh shit! He's behind the wall. Behind the wall to the left. Go straight.
Oh god.
Yeah, just
Why did I look?
Why did you have to look?
He's not there anymore.
I wanted to see.
Steven's lying. Oh, never mind.
What a fucking scrope.
Alright, so I'm gonna look left, I'm gonna look right.
Alright,
Okay. Look down there.
we're good, we're good.
Alright, let's go left.
I hate the little whis, whis, whis.
Yeah, I don't like him either.
Alright, we're gonna need generic whispering. Go ahead. Perfect. Put it in.
Don't worry, I found a water fountain for Eric.
Eric, wash your nuts off.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Okay,
Dude,
oh,
these hallways.
Dude, I like this one the most. This one's cool. What? What is that?
What the hell is that? Stevie.
Fuck you, Chris. Oh, you go over there.
We'll make a loop around because we need to go back over there.
I think I hear him behind us.
No, you don't.
No, no one's behind us.
What the hell's that? That's a gay remix.
Alright, I guess we have no choice.
The UFO's there. We gotta go to the UFO.
Fuck you, Chris. Shit,
What?
I started playing that music.
Okay, I'll check wide right. Someone check left.
Someone check left.
We're good on the right. Oh no, we're not. Fuck, he doesn't want us going in there. Oh, he's gone now. He's gone. He's gone.
Fuck
Oh,
it!
he's back.
What does he know?
Oh, he's pretty fucking close.
Yeah. Exactly.
Hey, okay, he doesn't like us in here.
Yeah, see, this is what to be in here.
Chris. You can stop.
Jerk McGurk.
Go, Alfie.
It's pretty clear.
Don't. Guys? Oh,
Huh?
I lost you.
Am I
Turn around
bleeding?
and out. I'm facing the wall.
We're still in. Ah! He's right there!
Oh, God.
This way, follow me. Oh, wait, the totem to the left.
Oh, fuck, go right.
Don't look at it.
Oh, God.
That screen's getting really fucking fuzzy.
Don't look at it.
Oh, look at it.
I wasn't.
Alright, it's good for now. We're good.
I think he's gonna be on our left.
Nah, I think we're good for now. Yeah, we're fine. Wait, what the? Oh. Yeah, I'll look left.
Check right.
Alright, let's go
We're
left.
good right.
We'll come back to the UFO. He does not
Chris, what the fuck are you doing?
check left again.
Right's good.
Play the Silent Hill theme song.
Yeah, that'd be perfect for this.
Am I scaring you guys?
No.
No, Chris.
I'm like trying to do my iPhone while like moving around.
Are they? Oh shit. Alright, computer lab.
Oh shit, I'm stuck.
We should have gone in groups of 2 on this room and met up at the end. Oh, there it is. Fuck. Good luck. He's where we came in. That might be gone. Yeah, I think there's a thing in here.
You can do without that. This makes me think fucking nurses are gonna come out of nowhere.
Yeah, I think it's not. Or, yeah, there's no thing in here.
I like no things.
Oh, fuck.
If I turn off my flashlight, you won't see
Everyone turn off your flashlight.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, I hear it. I think I hear something.
The fuck?
Submarine?
Get the fuck out of here.
Who just let these kids in here?
Oh my god, he just spawned right there. Oh my god.
There goes
He
Alfie.
is-
There goes Alfie.
Go!
Ah!
Oh,
He's still fun.
Go!
Don't go. Let's totem that way.
There's a totem. No, Chris, over here.
There's a totem that way.
Dude, Alfie was so fucking done.
Homie, don't play that, man.
We
Who's
gotta go
going in
back to the submarine
first?
room. We gotta back to the submarine room.
Fuck. God damn it.
Jesus Christ, Alfie.
I was
Screamed
donezo.
for him.
I need to open my food snacks.
Alright, so let's not go to the right. Go to the left.
He just came out of nowhere. Like I was looking there, like move.
Right when it popped up, I just hear Alfie scream and run away.
Where are you guys? Oh, don't leave me.
Hold on.
Can you go across that?
Hold on, be quiet. thought I heard something moving.
That's probably
It
me
wasn't the water.
running.
Dude, my light is fucking crappy right now. Like, it's
I
really
think
not
I bet if I just look at the ground, everything will be okay.
Wait, there's a doorway to the. Oh, fuck, let's go this way first.
Oh fuck.
Is this a jail cell?
This is a good place to be.
Someone better
Wants
look.
a dick for it.
Someone better look right.
Oh, that's
I hear
a
it.
long ass
You hear
tunnel.
I hear it, but
Oh, I hear it too.
I think it's over here.
it's right here.
Yeah.
All right, Chris.
Oh, yeah. There.
Got it.
Alright. Do you want to go down that way or out, or do you want to leave there?
Let's
Let's
go that way.
First. I doubt there'll be another one here.
Like he's just like
Big
he
ass
looks.
hallway.
He's like.
seriously,
Oh
he's
my
just
God.
waiting at the end of this.
That
Oh, dude, it's
fucker's
getting
gonna
fuzzy.
manifest himself like out of nowhere.
Yeah, it's
Fucking
getting really
dickhole. He was just like, hey,
I know he just popped out of the barrels out of nowhere. He's like, hey,
surprise, cockfags.
Oh wait, here,
Where's
look,
Rick?
sign up here.
Hey, look, Dalek's
fetuses-
ahead.
Look, fetuses. Oh. Dalek.
let's go
Oh,
see the let's go
yeah,
see the
those are
aliens.
fetuses.
Yeah, let's go see the fetuses. The fetuses.
The fightus.
Yeah, my flashlight's freaking me out.
Yeah, dude, mine's tripping out right now. Oh.
He's gonna pop up at the end of this fucking tunnel.
Shut the fuck up, Alfie.
He's gonna do it, man.
Which way is the fetus?
Left.
Where's the
No,
sign?
no,
Tell me
go
the
straight, go straight, go
fetus's
straight.
location.
Just go straight. Just go straight.
Oh god, he's
No, I
gonna be
think
on
the
the
fetus
right.
is over there to the left, because we're going back to the submarine, like,
Oh, is that where we are?
yeah.
Well, let's make sure. Then we'll go back. I mean, the door's right here.
Watch him be right fucking there.
Oh, it's a jail cell again. Let's not go that way.
Stop whispering, slut. Alright, we're coming up on an intersection. You want to make up your mind?
Okay,
Don't
so
look
who's gonna-
right, I'll look
who's gonna-
left.
Alright.
Oh, the fetuses are to the right. Or wait, no, they're over here.
Okay,
Go
since you
alone?
see it,
Where are you
I'm
guys?
not looking
Wait,
left.
where are you guys? Hello? Guys,
What?
What?
where'd you go?
What?
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Come back, come back.
Let's go.
Where did you guys go? Where did you guys go down the...
Oh damn, we can't find
Okay.
Alfie. This oh.
Why is my screen
Wait,
getting
wait,
fuzzy?
Just wait for me.
You're being a white woman too far away from
Okay,
us.
we should really just keep going.
Let's
Yeah,
go to the
look, there it is.
fetuses.
Fetuses left.
The goal, fuck the radios, let's see the fetuses.
Well, there's gotta be...
He's like in a test tube or something. Eh?
Yeah? My brothers.
I hear it. What is that?
Something brewing over here. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh
Okay,
my
let's
god.
not do that.
He was standing right fucking there. You wanna go check it again?
Yeah, I will.
There.
Alright,
Go
well,
check
here's-
it.
Eric doesn't give a fuck.
We're good.
Alright, yeah, right when I turned the
I'm
corner.
kidding.
Don't do that.
Right when I turned the
Don't
corner,
do
he was
that.
standing right there by the door.
You need to turn off my light. It's fucking me up.
Someone's gotta look down that corner now.
Which way did the
Which
fetuses?
way?
I'm gonna get straight.
Hey, look, a couch. Oh wait.
Stupid ass.
That's where I take my victims.
Oh god. I don't want to be back. Fuck you guys.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh yeah, I don't wanna look to the left.
Where are these goddamn fetuses?
I don't know.
Oh wait, is that fetus?
Here. That's no sign. Oh,
No, that,
he's behind us. He's behind us.
that's UFO,
Yeah, I'm
damn
not
it.
gonna-
He's behind us.
We
He's behind
passed the
us, he's behind us.
fetuses.
There's like a car.
Oh, he's
train.
not behind.
He's not there anymore?
Yeah, we should go
I saw
back.
him behind the
Let's
couch.
go back.
I saw him. Yeah, I saw him behind the couch. Yeah,
And let's make a right here. This must be the fetus area.
No, remember we had a fork like by the couch. That must have been the fetus turn.
Yeah. Same fucking turn.
Alright.
Alfie logic.
I'd rather go back that way than get lost this
Well,
way.
we can still go left.
How did you know that back there? Can't see shit.
Shut up. Want to live another night or no?
Just turning on my flashlight.
Oh god.
Okay, I'm done running.
Someone look to the right.
Oh fuck, you hear that?
Yeah,
I really
someone
want to
look
play
to the
that
right.
game on the PS4.
Oh,
Okay,
wait.
this must be
Here we
the
go.
area.
Here we go. Dude, my light
Oh,
is
I
crap.
don't like this. It's like so dark in here. This must be the fetal area.
Hey, there's a
Are
fetus.
they-
To our right.
Where?
I'm a fetus. I'm a fetus. Oh, look at that.
Oh, there it is.
There's a butt.
Dude, I see the butt.
That,
Look
that
at a
ass.
butt.
You got butt?
It's got a firm buttocks. Oh, look, there are more of them.
Oh,
Uh oh.
Radio.
Wait,
What is?
radio right here.
Right there, right
there.
there.
Wait, where? Oh,
Got it.
We got it. Alright, let's fucking get out of this room.
Yeah, it's gonna get a lot worse now.
Yeah. Well, you're not. Here I come. Right up your
Alright,
ass.
let's go back to the UFO room, right?
I'm coming.
Oh yeah, we gotta go back to UFO room. Because he
Oh.
scared us away from there.
I'm coming.
Maybe he's an alien.
Really? What made you think?
Krypton.
Okay, I'll check left.
I'll check right again.
I will not check right.
Left is...
Alright, we're going right.
Dude, my light is
Left,
so
please?
garbage. Dude, are you guys' lights fine?
Nope.
My
know-
lights.
Oh, wait.
That's a
Lefty?
room.
Here, let's go in this room.
That's a Rick. Oh, yeah, you
Rick's
go
got
first,
it.
Rick.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, this is the rape showers. I don't like this place at all. This is bad.
So many turns.
But there's a lot of
I
corners.
think I hear something gurgling to my right.
Yeah, I heard it too, but there's nothing there, don't worry.
Go straight?
Yeah, go straight.
Oh god, why am I in front?
Me in front?
I hear something breathing.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's my
Sorry.
ass.
Oh god, it's hot in here.
There's something in this room with us.
I think it's in every room with us.
Okay, this isn't going well. I don't like this area.
Can you wait for me?
He's outside in that hallway, probably.
Can you wait?
Oh wait, slow up, slow up.
Fucking get the
Oh,
dicks out of your ass. Let's go.
Move as quickly as you fuckers can, alright?
This must
but
be
you got
good.
high evasion, so you should be good.
Oh wait, UFO.
Oh look,
UFO?
we just cut through the
Alright,
showers
wait,
and we're
wait.
there.
I think we're outside. What is this?
Oh shit!
Oh, tits.
We meet again, Mr. Monster.
Fuck you, Velma.
This isn't the UFO, no, this is the...
This is
He
the
just,
jet.
he just goes up the Eric. This is the most
Okay,
evil
no.
thing I've ever seen.
It's gone now.
Teach me your ways.
Start sucking.
Okay, there must be a
Wait,
radio in
I hear
here.
it, I hear it.
Alright, it's
heard
over
it.
here.
I see it.
It's right here. It's right here.
It's mine.
Wow, fucking bitch. I had to spot it first. Take all the gamer points, or just whatever. Faggot. Faggot.
I'm gonna die anyway. Might as well have
That
some
modded
satisfaction.
controller.
Shut the fuck
That
up.
modded controller.
I held down
Double-
right trigger. Fuck
double-
you.
You double try up the right trigger so you can run faster. Whatever.
If we turn on that turbo.
Damn, you must be a snail. Shit.
Good one, Chris.
Like that movie.
I got it.
Which way are we going?
This
Right?
way.
You know, if we
Into
keep
the
going right, we're
darkness.
going in circles.
Yeah, Chris, you can keep your light off. You can go ahead.
Wait, what's that screen? What's that in front of us? What's that? That screen? What's that?
Wait, hold on. There's a thing here. What is this?
Looks like there are boxes this way.
Is that what that is?
Okay, that's storage.
Did we go to storage yet? Did we go to storage yet?
Yeah, what's it? Oh, there's a totem pole over there. Ouch.
Yeah, there's a phone.
Don't look. At it. Don't look at it.
He's behind us. He's behind us. He's fucking
No,
behind
he's
us.
not.
There's nothing there.
He's not.
Yeah. Calm down, puss.
Alfie, there's nothing.
Calm down, Alfie.
He was looking at me.
This might be the metro.
I was the last one around the corner.
This might be the metro that leads us out of here.
I think you turned Russian.
Yeah, why was your guy Russian? Why is Fred Russian now?
Wait, guys, you guys are really far.
I'm just walking.
Hold on, Daphne broke her heel.
Someone dropped the pads. Someone dropped. Oh wait, you can get on the train.
What?
Choo-choo.
Why did he do that? Why did he do that?
Oh shit, guys.
Hi. Look, there's an alien
To my right.
thing.
He's to my right.
I don't see him.
Gonna
Where's
totally
he?
ignore him, and my yellow people go.
Oh, I was wondering why he did that. It just sounded like meh.
I felt so alive.
It's A27. I don't know why I'm still here.
I ate the others from heat.
I ate my own foot.
It's
Day
only been
one.
one day.
Ate my own foot.
Fucking. Oh god, he's right there on the right. He's behind the boxes. What the fucking. Look at the bitch, dude.
Bitch
I
alien.
just see his stupid little bobblehead behind the freaking crates. Yeah, he was just like shaking it, like he's retarded.
Hey, you want to see something neat?
Behind me, please.
Help me.
Where are you guys? Oh, there you are.
Maybe he just wants a hug.
Wait, I hear something.
It's on the train.
Oh, here it is.
6 out of 8, and we're all alive.
We're
Yeah,
doing
don't
tits
say
right
that would
now.
be so far away, you fucker.
Where should we go? Left, right, straight?
Wait for-
Straight, let's go. He's gonna start chasing us now.
Wait for me.
Steven's dead.
We're walking, so you should sprint to catch up.
You can.
You should just hold down right trigger the whole time.
You're good.
Push Steven. Push the baby.
He's good. He's good.
The menses?
Please. Slow down, okay?
Keep up with Fred Worth.
Fredworth? You're just changing the
Left?
character now.
Left? Straight?
Straight. Left. Yeah.
Straight?
Look left.
Right? What? Fucking Alfie, bitch. But dead end Alfie. Way to go.
There's 2 turns. Fuck you.
Damn, that should be your name. Your nickname. 2 turns.
No.
Oh!
Okay.
You done.
Help me!
Oh yeah, Steven's
I'm
dead.
here.
Wait, where's Alfie? Oh, here he is.
I'm already like sprinting ahead.
Alfie.
Where's Alfie? Just like closing his
Oh!
door.
Oh!
Ah!
What?
Not that way. That's what.
Yeah, he was right there in the corner.
He's fucking with us now.
Oh god, I hear him again. Okay, let's go
I do too.
back. Let's go back the way we came, and then make a left up here.
He sounds like he's right on us. No, fuck that. I'm not being.
Like.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a quick left.
Who the fuck goes to the shit in
Okay,
here?
we're good.
Really?
Who goes into the bunker to
What's
find
Oh, there's
right.
there's an old bunker. What are we gonna find in here, guys?
fucking Scooby-Doo gang, dumb as shit, finally gets what's coming to him. For once, it's not an old man in a costume. It's just a monster that's gonna rip out their dicks.
Especially Velma's.
Yeah.
Especially though.
Everyone knew. Everyone knew.
Okay, I checked. I'm going right. I don't want to check the other way.
2 turn.
What should we do? 2 turns. Okay, someone check right. I'll check
Hold
left.
on, I got this. 360 no scope. Woo!
Slow he is.
We're good.
Left or right? Left or right?
I don't know.
Let's go right. Let's go right.
That
Let's go left.
montage.
I
Wait,
will.
what's this? Oh wait. Okay, yeah, go right.
That's the prison, right?
We're already there.
Yeah.
What is this?
I'm on the gymnasium.
Excellent.
Fuck.
Yo, basketball is my favorite sport. I like the way
Oh,
you
this,
dribble up and
wait,
down the
this
court.
is the first place we were at.
It looks like we're in this lobby.
Go left, straight.
Oh yeah. Oh
Kids.
yeah.
Exo Intelligence.
Intelligence Bureau.
Oh god, he's right next to us.
I'll sacrifice myself.
Eric, no.
Eric, no.
Okay, I thought you really did it.
No.
I'll tote him on the left.
Oh!
Hiding behind the corner. He's behind the corner.
Where you guys going? I wanna play.
No. Eric should be the monster.
No one like me.
I think there should be a game like this, but someone could actually be the monster.
Yeah, it's called hide and seek.
No, that's gay. I mean, like an actual game, like a good game.
You're a good game.
Yeah, we're back at the UFO.
We never found anything in here.
We ran away like bitches.
Wait,
Oh,
I think
no,
we go on the
yeah.
stairs.
Yeah,
Uh,
let's go upstairs.
We check the stairs.
Alright, Eric, you wait at the bottom.
Wait, no, wait. Oh god, he's right there.
Oh my
He
god.
just came. He
What?
came out of nowhere.
Right then. Oh, he's in the corner. He's in the corner behind us.
There's gotta be something in this room. God damn it.
Who coughed? Who the fuck coughed?
He did, the monster. You guys gotta haul us.
Ricola? Guys have a Ricola? All of it.
Can't get in there.
No, I guess not.
We gotta go.
Let's just do one more sweep of it. Then we'll
Get
go.
upstairs.
I'm
I
not getting in
tried,
the
I
back.
think. Wait.
It's the race to not get behind.
Who's breathing so heavy?
Me.
Yeah, you can't get on the stairs.
Oh,
Don't do it. He spawned right when I went try going on it. Those are my stairs. Yes, sir. Alright, go into this area.
Yeah.
Oh god, there's a left and a right. Two turns.
Fuck. Don't turn around. Keep walking.
Run.
Why? What's wrong? Oh, we're fine.
Oh, wait, there's TVs over here.
Oh, that's good. Oh wait, that's
Why is
the
that
that's the
most
main
of
room that we
those-
went to.
Right,
I
so
don't even
alive.
know what I don't even know what I am right now. I think my insanity's dropping.
I think
Mine's
your
pretty
insanity's
low.
dropping.
My panties are dropping.
Who am I?
Mine are filled. There's gotta be
Wait,
yeah,
here.
there's gotta be one in here. Alright, everyone split up.
Wait, I hear something.
Yeah, I heard it. Yeah, I heard it. Oh, there it is. We're getting close.
We gotta check this room fully.
Oh god, he's over there.
Oh my god!
Who screamed?
Did we die? Who died?
No, we're
No one
good.
died?
No one died. No one died. We're good. We're good. No
Oh,
one
yeah,
died.
I'm already.
Oh! Oh!
Get
Shit!
out of here. Get out of this room. Get out of this room.
This room's a death trap. I'm stuck on a damn computer.
I got stuck
Oh
on
my
the
guy's
roof.
coughing up his blood. It's alright, buddy. I'm out of here.
I don't feel my legs anymore.
Oh, don't go to the right.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! Oh! Oh!
What's happening?
Shit!
What's happening? Who screamed?
He's right there.
This is it. This is it.
He doesn't want us to leave.
Gotta get
How do
someone
Here,
out
you want
of
to go
this
this
room.
way?
What happens when they find all of it? How do they leave?
Shut up.
Oh, I
The
guess
monster.
we win and they just leave.
See, knowledge is
monster, like-
power. That's what this game is teaching us. If we learn about them, we can beat them.
Wait, guys, there's doors to the right. Prove them.
Alright, let's do it.
The monster's like right when you grab the last one. No! And he just like melts. Oh, here's a submarine again.
We never did find anything in here.
We never went to the... This is where you first shut up. Look, there's another door back there, too.
Wait,
Oh, here's one. Found one. Found one.
Grab it.
grab it.
And let's go in that door. We haven't checked that door yet.
We need one. We could do this. We're all still alive.
Oh,
Someone go do that first. That's like
Fuck
like
it!
the rape hole.
360 no scope!
Alfie's dead.
We're good. We're good. I'm not doing that spin. Fuck that. That takes 3 days.
That's like the rape hole.
There's a growling.
I just want to get this last one.
If we split up, he can only go after one of us.
That's not... Shut up, Alfie. It's a bad
Yeah,
idea.
that's a horrible
No,
idea.
That's true. Okay. What was that?
Did you hear like a dun?
Yeah.
Yeah, same here. I don't know what that was.
We're getting close.
I'm starting.
No, that's the
Starting to
noise
get
of
a lot of static.
yeah, that's the noise of the pillar.
Pillar.
Oh no! Don't go there.
Oh my god.
They both screamed.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is this last one?
Times like this when we're close.
Oh god, I hear him.
I'm glad I have the good evasion.
I should just start running off without you guys.
You.
Apparently that's the only thing my guy's good for, and it's kind of fitting.
I'm not
Okay.
coughing.
Oh god, what was that?
Wait, did
We've
we?
been here already, right?
Yeah, this is the
Yeah,
book.
but we-
Yeah, we've been here. We got the one here.
We did? Sweet Mary Magdalene.
Just keep running. Just keep running.
If you don't look at it, it can't get you.
Yeah.
You can't get me today. Damn those kids.
Alien, no raping. Alien, no raping.
Missile?
You should knock Alfie out and just leave him for him.
No, no, don't do that. I wish there was a
Smack him
game where you
over the
can
head with a
kneecap your
flashlight.
own teammates.
Okay,
Oh,
I don't
oh,
think
wait,
we went to
Daisy.
this one on the right.
Okay, my.
Sorry for me.
What's
Missile.
this on the right?
Okay, we find the
Missile.
dick by going here.
Did you hear that scream?
Okay, we might.
Did I? How fucked up with that?
Oh, we've been.
Oh god, he's right there on the right.
Okay, let's not look right.
Don't have to look at it, Eric.
Let's make sure he's right.
It must be here. Have we been to the missile area?
We've been here, but did we get one?
No, we didn't. We're here. We gotta take this room because he's not here anymore.
What's this? Oh, I think we were here. Oh my god, he just spawned right there.
Oh,
Oh my
God.
god. Like right when I looked there, he just came out like
What the fuck is
hell.
that?
Okay, I think we did grab one here.
Yeah. He's afraid of groups. He hasn't grabbed one of us.
They're too well together.
Until, like, Stevie
Oh
falls
god.
behind.
Okay, we
Ah!
should really get out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to get out of this room.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Fuck you, can catch up.
Fuck
to
you,
me.
Velma.
Sprinting, alright?
Okay, we never found anything in this area.
No, we didn't. This is what we spawned.
Oh, this is gonna be our death trap here.
Just someone look forward and the others are looking at the lockers.
Alright, I'm looking forward.
There's so many doors in this place.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we're gonna die.
Yeah.
I just already know it. He's
Jesus, dude. I don't like this place.
oh, what the fuck?
Let's go that way. Wait, you hear that?
No.
No.
It's like
Oh,
this
wait.
over here. Or back there. It's around here.
I hear it.
No, where the fuck is it? It's in this room.
Let's get the air
It's
give.
in here.
Like,
It's
this-
somewhere in here.
Yeah, go through the door.
Found
goddammit.
it.
Oh, we did it.
oh god, my flashlight broke.
Mine broke too.
Oh,
Oh, guys. Guys, this is the end.
Stick together. Stick together.
Guys.
Okay, get us in together.
My hand.
Oh my god.
So what happened?
Apparently we became one of them.
Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Because my hands, like, just started
Yeah, my
bleeding.
hands turned into them. Like, no, mine turned into a monster's.
Oh,
Yeah, mine did too.
mine were bloody, I think.
Yeah,
Like, I already killed someone.
mine were bloody.
Fucking
I didn't
Eric's the
scream at
biggest-
all.
You're the one screaming, like, in real life.
Shh, the game didn't know that.
We did good on this one.
I think we should call it quits right there.
Yeah.
We can do one more.
No,
Let's
we
do one
won.
more. We can do one more.
Yeah.
What are
No,
the other,
save
what are
it.
the other levels?
One more.
No, I'm done.
Yeah, I'm kind of done too.
Yeah.
2 turn.
Look, that's
This
where I come from.
fucking Stevie got lost.
Fuck that shit.
I just see Steven trailing behind the whole time.
What do the
You
red
should see
puzzle
his
places mean?
I think that's where we see encounters of him.
The red one.
Way to go back to the showers. Oh, you saw us just completely turn around right there.
Yeah.
Nope.
We did a full.
Like 3 circles right there.
Right here.
Shit.
Woo!
There's our bitch ass screams.
And then we turned.
There's a lot of this place we didn't explore.
We did it.
White
Yeah, I'm
noise
fucking.
online.